Welcome to the channel. Today we will talk about how digital twins are revolutionizing business management by allowing you to simulate scenarios and optimize resources before making physical changes. Here we look at an overview of digital twins as advanced simulation tools that integrate real-time data to model complex operations and reduce costs. That if you are looking for ways to optimize your business with innovative technology, this video is for you. Digital twins are virtual replicas of physical processes, products, or systems that integrate real-time data using IoT sensors. Data collection. We see a diagram of how sensors collect data on temperature, pressure, and performance, creating a detailed virtual model. An example is a manufacturing plant using digital twins to anticipate problems on its production lines and adjust parameters before failures arise. Scenario simulation. Predictive analytics allows assessing the impact of changes in operations. A case in point is an energy company that simulates the impact of a new turbine, optimizing its layout to maximize production. The versatility of digital twins allows optimizing resources in multiple industries. Manufacturing industry. Siemens has implemented digital twins to eliminate bottlenecks in its plants, achieving a 15% increase in productivity. It shows how simulation helps to minimize waste and improve efficiency. Energy management. IBM uses digital twins to adjust the air conditioning in its data centers, reducing energy consumption by 10% and aligning with sustainability goals. Logistics and supply chain. Maersk simulates maritime routes and optimizes the use of containers, reducing logistics costs by 10%. The integration of digital twins relies on advanced technologies that facilitate their functionality, IoT and smart sensors. They capture real-time data, as shown in this image, connecting physical assets with their virtual replicas. 3D simulation platforms. Tools such as Siemens NX and Dassault Systems enable accurate modeling and visualization of virtual environments. Machine learning algorithms. These analyze data to identify patterns, make predictions, and optimize operations. The implementation of digital twins offers multiple benefits. Cost reduction by anticipating problems and avoiding unnecessary physical changes. Optimization of the use of resources such as energy, time, and personnel. Improved sustainability by reducing waste and emissions. The constant evolution of technologies such as IoT and machine learning positions digital twins as an essential tool for companies seeking to stay competitive. Digital twins are the bridge between the physical and virtual worlds, allowing companies to accurately simulate and optimize operations. From manufacturing to logistics, their implementation transforms the way organizations manage resources and plan strategies. If you want to implement digital twins in your company to optimize processes and improve operational efficiency, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Together, we will develop a strategy tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.